news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a sharp dig at the Congress, accusing it of appeasement politics and challenging the party to appoint a Muslim leader as its president. Prime Minister Modi stated that there has been a Congress government today, we would have still been facing blackouts. Meanwhile, Congress MP Imran Masood has slammed the BJP, stating that BJP are insulting the constitution. Listen in.
हमें कांग्रेस के दिनों को भी भूलना नहीं चाहिए। हमने 2014 से पहले जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, वो दिन भी देखे हैं जब पूरे देश में ब्लैकआउट होते थे, बिजली गुल हो जाती थी। कांग्रेस की सरकार रहती तो देश को आज भी ऐसे ही ब्लैकआउट से गुजरना पड़ता। न कारखाने चल पाते, न रेल चल पाती, न खेतों में पानी पहुंच पाता। यानी कांग्रेस की सरकार रहती तो ऐसे ही संकट बना रहता, बढ़ता रहता। अब इतने वर्षों के बाद, प्रयासों के बाद आज हालात बदल रहा है। बीते एक दशक में भारत ने बिजली उत्पादन की क्षमता को करीब करीब 2 गुना किया है।
देखिए, संविधान का अपमान तो सबसे ज्यादा आप कर रहे हैं। अभी वक्फ कानून ला करके आपने संविधान को रौंदने का काम कर दिया। संविधान की धारा 25 और 26 को आपने बिल्कुल ही खत्म करने का काम कर दिया। तो आंशिक रूप से जो प्रहार कर रहे हैं वो आप करने का काम कर रहे हैं। आपने तो पूरा संविधान बदलने का बात की थी, वो तो आपको मौका नहीं मिला। आप 400 पार नहीं हुए तो आपको नहीं मिल पाया।
My colleague Anand Singh with us on the broadcast. Anand, take our viewers to the details of this latest war of words.
Mr. Narendra Modi to Haryana, and from there he took a sharp jibe at the Congress earlier regimes, and he mentioned that how before 2014, when there was Congress-led UPA government at the center, the country used to face blackouts, power blackouts at that point of time, but just because there was rampant corruption in the UPA era government. So he mentioned that after coming to power in 2014, since then the country has come a long way, as there is no further blackouts, and the rail and manufacturing sector industries, they can all run smoothly just because his government has done so much of work, and it has curbed the corruption across the country. So clearly Prime Minister Narendra Modi today took a dig at the Congress. Very sharp jibe he mentioned in his remarks that he made to the people of Haryana. Meanwhile, Congress MP from Saharanpur, Imran Masood, while targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said that you are insulting the constitution the most, as he alleged that the BJP of bringing the Work Amendment Act, and he said that the BJP trampled the constitution. He further mentioned that the BJP-led government at the center has completely abolished Section 25 and 26 of the Constitution, and he also further changed that, charged that how the BJP was saying that it will change the Constitution after coming to power in 2024 Lok Sabha polls by winning more than 400 seats. However, they were stopped below 400 seats, and it is reason why they are unable to change the constitution completely. So clear, a very sharp jibe by the Congress MP also, Imran Masood, who hit back at the Prime Minister the way in which the Work Amendment Act was passed in Parliament. Back to you, Devi.
Anand, thank you so much for joining us. Some more breaking news.